Hi friends, let's start. So one of my friend asked me, what is the daily task that an SEO expert can do for a website? So here in this small video, I'm going to share two tips. Number one, search engine optimization required better content. It is no doubt. Your content must be quality content. And search engine also like fresh content. When you ask a question to search engine using some phrase, nowadays it answers like a AI LLM model, but you will see it refers the information from a website that is fresh. So for example, Wikipedia is a community of uh, people who regularly update new content on various topics. So if you have a website and your web pages are like 3 months, 4 months old, there is a blog post or a page, then one thing you can do, keep updating those content according to the latest update. So fresh content get easily ranked by search engine. One more thing you can do, look at two major website. One is your Google Analytics, another is your Google Search Console. This actually gives you very good signal about your content performance. Look at the search term that people searching, and your website is getting ranked in on like 30th number or 20th number, or say second page or third page of the search result. Enrich your website on those content, and then you will get better ranking. So these two tips that are the regular routine tasks that you can do for search engine optimization. If you like these tips, give a comment in the comment section below. See you in the next episode.